This will be a tutorial on how to create a comic book in Book Creator. The first thing you're going to want to do to create a comic book is to create a new book. You'll do that by pressing this button here. You'll have different size options available to you. When choosing the size that you would like, make sure you're choosing from the second shelf where it indicates comic after the book specifications. If you do not choose the one that says comic, you won't have the panel or sticker options available to you once you begin creating your book. Now that you've selected the size that you want, you can go ahead and start creating your book. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. This is the cover. I'll go ahead and design the cover. I'm going to go to this button here and find a nice design that I like, just kind of set the tone for my book. I'll come back and add to it once I develop my story and I get a clever title that I can put on there. So I'll open up the book and go to page 2. In order to get those comic book panels, I'm going to open the Media tab that's under the plus sign. And I'm going to go to the panels. I'm going to try to move my head out of the way so you can see. This button here will take you to the different panel options. So once I'm there, I can decide which panel option is going to go best with how I'm laying out my story. So I will go with that one. You'll notice the panels are locked. If you want to unlock them, you can click the eye and then simply click unlock. They are locked, so that way anything that you insert into that panel should be able to fit appropriately. The program will work with you to help resize things to fit as best as they can. So I will search for an image. Let's search for a music note. And let's insert that there. Oh, that's cute. Okay, we'll add that. And then that'll be processed and placed into that panel. And there it is. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and add some text. This is Fluffy. Put some text here for Fluffy. So apparently my story is about Fluffy. So I can continue with that. I can continue adding images. I can search for images. I can also upload from anything I have stored on my computer files or my Google Drive. And if your Google Drive is not connected, you just go to More right here, and you can click Add Apps, and it will give you the option to link your Google Drive. Go ahead and go back. Let's see. What other cool things should I tell you about this? Let's use the camera feature, and let's just add a picture that can go into the next panel. So see, I did not actually use the panel. I didn't use the plus sign there, so let me try that again. There we go. Now that photo is inserted into the panel in a way that best fits the panel. I'm going to create another page, and then again, I'm going to go to the different panel options and choose what I want to put there, and then I can continue inserting. I'm going to do text one more time. I just want regular text this time. This is my version of a comic book. And I can resize that text and place it where I want, and can continue going on and on for however many pages our comic book will need. So that is a fun way to have students engaged, either by you creating something with the comic book feature or having them create their own project or representation of their learning using the comic book feature.